Welcome to this lesson on a fundamental concept in calculus. Today, we are going to explore the relationship between differentiability and continuity. Specifically, we will understand why differentiability implies continuity, but continuity does not necessarily imply differentiability. We will visualize these concepts to make them crystal clear. First, let's establish what we mean by continuity. Intuitively, a continuous function is one you can draw without lifting your pen from the paper. There are no holes, no sudden jumps, and no breaks in the curve. Mathematically, the limit as you approach a point must equal the function's value at that point. Next, what is differentiability? A function is differentiable at a point if its derivative exists there. Visually, this translates to smoothness. If a function is differentiable, you can draw a unique non-vertical tangent line at that point. If you were to zoom in infinitely close, the curve would look like a straight line. Here is the golden rule you need to remember. Differentiability implies continuity. This is a one-way street. If you know a function is differentiable at a point x, you can be 100% certain that it is also continuous at that point. Smoothness guarantees connectedness. But now, let's ask the critical question. Is the reverse true? If a function is continuous, does that mean it must be differentiable? The answer is a definitive no. Just because a road is connected does not mean it is smooth. There can be bumps and sharp turns. The most famous counterexample is the absolute value function. F of x equals the absolute value of x. As you can see, this graph is continuous everywhere. There are no breaks in the V-shape. However, look closely at x equals 0. There is a sharp corner. Why does this sharp corner break differentiability? Let's look at the slopes. If we approach 0 from the left, the slope is -1. If we approach from the right, the slope is +1. Because these two slopes do not match, the derivative at 0 is undefined. We cannot draw a single unique tangent line here. We can visualize this relationship with a Venn diagram. The set of differentiable functions is actually a subset inside the larger set of continuous functions. Every differentiable function is inside the continuous circle. But there are functions, like our absolute value example, that sit in the continuous zone, but outside the differentiable zone. To wrap up, remember these key points. 1. If it's differentiable, it's continuous. 2. If it's continuous, it might not be differentiable. 3. Watch out for sharp corners or cusps, as these are the usual suspects where continuity exists but differentiability fails.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.